This exercise is called the calf roll. So we're basically going to grab our foam roller and then you're going to put your leg onto the foam roller in the back of the calf here. So from here, we're gonna just go ahead and roll up and down the calf. You're gonna find a tender spot, and then what you can do is just push into the foam roller. So push down into the foam roller, you should feel a little bit more tenderness. And then you can go ahead and bring your foot up and down as well too. If you need a little bit more weight, you can go ahead and put your leg on top and then go ahead and find a good spot here. Hang out there for about a minute or two. Bring the foot up and down. And you can do little oscillations like this if you want to as well. That will help to loosen up faster. And then you're gonna bring your foot down and then you're gonna go all the way up and down that calf. And those are some exercises to help you out with your shin splints. If your symptoms continue to persist, please consult your medical professional.